When it comes to interior design and styling, the floor you choose can make or break the end result. So when I was choosing the flooring for this self-build, first of all I was thinking maybe something like luxury vinyl, but I didn't want to have any PVC. So having scoured the market, I was so thrilled when I came across Tarkett flooring. So let me take you on a tour and also tell you why I chose it.
So I'm used to renovating older properties. I will lovingly refurbish period floorboards like they are my children. But new flooring is a whole different ballgame. I did know I wanted to be as sustainable as possible though, and I looked into all sorts of possibilities, including cork and reclaimed floorboards and tiles. However, for many reasons I won't bore you with, they weren't going to work for this particular project. Then I came across Tarkett ID Revolution. It's a new product that's as hard-wearing as luxury vinyl, but is also eco-friendly. It's made with recycled and bio-based materials. It's 100% recyclable and comprises 83% recycled, mineral and bio-based materials. Aside from the eco points, I also wanted to go for something that looked a little different without making the place feel smaller. So in tighter areas that need a little help, I have straight boards, whereas elsewhere I've gone for a diagonal pattern with a border. The beauty of these is that you can have them cut how you like, and there are wood or stone designs to choose from in different colours.
Suffice to say, I'm pretty pleased with the look of the end result, but I can also feel like I've done my bit for the environment.